This video is related to class 7 computer. Class, you already have done question answers of this chapter. Now the work which given is difference between the primary memory and the secondary memory. You have to do this work on your copy. The first topic is primary memory and secondary memory. What is the difference between in both topic? It is temporary memory. ये टेम्प्रेरी मेमोरी है, ठीक है, मतलब वक्तन. इट इज़ परमानेंट मेमोरी. ये परमानेंट मेमोरी है, मतलब लॉन्ग लास्टिंग मेमोरी है. इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ चिप्स. ये चिप्स पर बेस करती है. इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ डिवाइसेस. ये डिवाइसेस पर बेस करती है. इट इज़ डायरेक्टली एक्सेसिबल बाय द CPU. इसके अंदर जितना भी डेटा, जितना भी मटेरियल होता है वो डायरेक्ट एक्सेसिबल होता है, यानी डायरेक्ट जो है वो CPU तक पहुंच जाता है. इट इज़ नॉट डायरेक्ट एक्सेसिबल बाय द CPU. ये हमारा टॉपिक यहाँ पर ख़त्म हो गया. इतना काम आपने कॉपी में करना है. हमारा नेक्स्ट वर्क था एक्सरसाइज B फ्रॉम पेज नंबर 11. एक्सरसाइज B फ्रॉम पेज नंबर 11. देन एक्सरसाइज C फ्रॉम पेज नंबर 12. एक्सरसाइज D फ्रॉम पेज नंबर 12 and exercise E from page number 13. You have to do this all work in your book. Now I am telling you how to do this work. You have to, first your question is circle the correct answer. You have to tick the right answer of these informations. First one is the combination of some components and their relationship make. What does it make? It make a system. Second is which is not the name for the motherboard. इसमें से कौन सा इस तरह का नाम है जो motherboard का नाम नहीं है? The correct answer is C, circuit board. थर्ड इज CMOS इज शॉर्ट फॉर. CMOS जो है वो किसका एब्रीविएशन है, किसकी, इसकी फुल फॉर्म क्या है? इसकी फुल फॉर्म, इसका राइट आंसर D, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री मेटल ऑक्साइड सेमीकंडक्टर. नंबर 4 इज डैश मेमोरी कैन बी एक्सेस्ड इवन बिफोर द रैम. द राइट आंसर इज B, कैश मेमोरी. नंबर 5 द पार्ट वेयर एक्चुअल कंप्यूटेशन टेक प्लेस इज. द आंसर A, the ALU, the arithmetic logic unit. Number 6 term mass storage is synonym for. The right option is A, secondary memory. Number 7 and the last, the newest standard for expression card on personal computer is. The right answer C, PCI Express. Our next topic is fill in the blanks with appropriate words. The first one is dash are flat rectangles. The answer is desktop. DESKTOP, desktop. Second one, all the major function components like the processor and memory are fixed on the dash. The answer is motherboard. MOTHER, mother. BOARD, board, motherboard. Third one is the fan keep the dash cool. The answer is processor. PROCESSOR, processor. The fourth one, the operations a microprocessor perform are called the dash of the processor. The answer is instruction set. INSTRUCTION, instruction. SET, set, instruction set. Number 5, modern RAM is made of dash circuit. The answer is semiconductor. SEMI, semi, CONDUCTOR, conductor, semiconductor. Number 6, dash is preceders of PCI. The answer is ISA. Our next exercise, exercise D, you can take help for this. From page number, which one is? Page number 2. Here the all motherboard is already labeled. You can take help from this page and label your work. The next exercise is help from page number 8. All devices are labeled over here. You can take help from page number this and you have to label the exercise E. Our work is finished. Now you have to do exercise B, C, D and E in your book and the other work in your copy. Thank you.